liftoff. As the countdown to Mars continues, the perseverance of humanity launching the next generation of robotic explorers to the Red Planet.
Welcome to Intellify. NASA has launched its robot Perseverance to Mars. Now, Perseverance is actually a robotic wheeled vehicle which has been designed to look for the signs of life that has ever existed on the Red Planet. Perseverance was lifted off from Florida on Thursday at 7:50 a.m. according to the Eastern Time. Once this rover lands on Mars, it is going to collect the rock and the soil samples of the planet, which will be sent back home in this decade. The rover will drill up the evidence, put them in small tubes, seal it into its own individual tube and set them on the surface to provide a target for the second two missions. Now, this is actually the third spacecraft to head the Mars way this month after UAE and China. But the question arises, why are the countries so much in favor of sending their spacecrafts in this particular time period? Well, the answer is the launch window. The launch window is actually the best time period to launch mission to Mars, because in this period it is the shortest time to reach to Mars, and in this way you can actually conserve maximum fuel. And this launch window only occurs twice a year. Now, this rover is supposed to land on the crater Jezero. Jezero crater is a crater that once held a lake. There are a lot of craters on the surface of Mars that could have once hosted ancient lakes. But not every crater that we think had a lake actually preserves evidence that the lake was there. This crater had an inflow channel and an outflow channel. That means it was filled with water. In Jezero, there is probably one of the most beautifully preserved delta deposits on Mars in that crater. As per the researchers, it is the wonderful place for microorganisms to be preserved. There is no other place on Mars that has unique combination of lake setting, preserved delta and a diverse mineralogy. Now, Perseverance looks quite similar to NASA's another robot, Curiosity, which was sent to Mars in 2012. But it is not actually so. In fact, Perseverance is quite complex when compared to Curiosity. A whole new set of science was added to it. NASA had added microphone for the very first time. Perseverance is also able to self-drive for a distance of up to 200 meters a day. This rover also has a helicopter called Ingenuity, which can fly in the thin Martian atmosphere for about 3 minutes up to a height of 10 meters. So this NASA robot is expected to spend at least 1 Martian year, which is roughly equal to 2 Earth years, to investigate the possibility. Now that is all for today. Thank you for watching Intellify.